Well, is Apple finally breaking? That's what Wolf Research is asking in its latest technical analysis. But my next guest might argue Apple has been broken for nearly a year, generating negative alpha for the tech sector. So what's the next support level he's watching? Joining me now is Carter Worth Charting founder and CEO. It's been such a good stock this year, Carter.
I know, such a strange thing, because obviously performance is performance, and you just add it up, and it is what it is. But relative performance is also not only important, it's in many ways, if you are benchmarked to an index, it's the only thing that matters. And what we know, ironically, is that Apple's relative performance to its peers, to the tech sector, peaked almost a year ago. In fact, it was the last week in September of 2022. Apple, since then, and you can see it on this chart, right, has been underperforming the entire S&P 500 sector. So stocks, for instance, since September 27th, the semis are up almost 50%. The tech sector is up more than 40. Apple's up only 16. In fact, since September a year ago, IBM is beating Apple. Oracle's up 100%. Apple has been a bad pick, despite being up, because it's all about what one could have done, opportunity cost.
Wow.
And now, obviously, this news-related drop in gap today, I just think you don't want to be there. I'm a seller.
I guess, and maybe what this is a reminder of is that just starting on Jan 1 is really not the whole story. It's maybe true more than ever, given what's happened with stocks kind of selling off right into the end of the year and then rebounding right at the start of this year. So what would you say about Apple now for levels of support? We're down 7% in 2 days, but still only a few percentage points from literally the all-time highs.
Well, that's right. And so if you look at the absolute chart, the very strong advance from its October lows, the question is this enough of a correction? The stock was fairly steep and uncorrected, again, all the while underperforming. But at this point, is this setback, this dip, drop, decline, correction, drawdown, sell-off, you choose the word, is this enough to correct a very steep ascent? I suppose I would say no.
And if it's not, so in other words, it's almost like if Apple shares fall enough, then that correction will be, yeah, you can tell me, but so we're kind of in the middle where it's really not quite it's not sharp enough yet.
That's my thing. It has not expunged enough of the sort of love.
Expunged is the word I was looking
Yes.
for. Thank you. So then here we showed Apple, we showed the tech spider. Obviously, it feels to a lot of us like the story is fundamentally driven. But do you think there's something more going on here for Apple, for the tech sector? What do you think?
Well, I mean, there's so many ways that there are a lot of people that would consider Apple no longer a growth stock, and therefore does it deserve the multiples? Nothing to do with the charts, but I mean, that is the big decision that has to be made. We also know that it's a buyback machine. Apple has bought back, I think, the amount of stock it's bought back is in size greater than the market cap of basically 400 plus stocks in the S&P. So what? You said, what does that have to do with anything? The truth is, maybe it's rich, maybe it's no longer a growth stock, but here and now, what's the premise for buying a stock that has the following two circumstances? Day-to-day, heavy selling, news-related, and two, a stock that underperforming its peers, underperforming IBM for a year? Not great.
Then as a final question, is it IBM? Is it Oracle? Is it old tech? Is it energy? Where do you see more signs of strength and vigor in this market?
Well, tech, I think Oracle is quite good, and I would expect a good result. That's what the charts indicate for their earnings coming up. Energy, we're sticking with it. We're in the camp that rates have peaked, and we want to be long energy as an overweight, and healthcare.
All right, and healthcare, I know healthcare's move today. Stay tuned. We might be talking more about this with UNH leading the Dow on some nice pricing power as well. Carter, thanks for your time. We really appreciate it.